vegetarian is easy and delicious. I guess most people enjoy eating potato chips, don't they?
Today's recipe is a viral new way to eat potato chips. It looked so fun that I just had to try it. It looks like a weird food combo, but you just can't stop eating it. Guess that's the irresistible magic of carbs and fat. Zero effort, max flavor. Smash some chips into eggs, fry for 3 minutes, boom. The laziest cheat meal you'll ever love. Welcome to subscribe my channel and save this recipe so you may refer back when you need this recipe. Ingredients: eggs, potatoes, chips, corn kernels. Crack the eggs into bowl and whisk them. Crush the chips finely. Add corn kernel and mix together. Let's fry the egg. Pour in the potato chip egg mixture and let it cook without stirring to allow it to set. As the potato chip omelette sizzles in the pan, its mouth-watering aroma fills the air. A perfect mix of crispy potato chips and golden fried eggs, making everyone's mouth water. The idea likely emerged from lazy cooking logic. Transforming snacks into meals is the ultimate modern kitchen hack. Though unverified, it gained global traction post-2010 with the struggle meals trend, especially on platforms like Tasty. Truth be told, every sleep-deprived soul who ever crushed chips into midnight eggs deserves partial credit. When the underside is golden and firm, carefully flip the omelet to brown the reverse side. To keep the omelet intact, slide it onto a plate first, then flip it back into the wok.
Flip egg.
Cook each side for 2 to 3 minutes over medium-low heat until golden edges form. This achieves the ideal crisp exterior with a tender center. Watch for bubbles. Flip immediately when the surface sets with tiny bubbles for maximum fluffiness. And that's your potato chip omelet done. Crazy easy, right? Original chips give a salty crunch, but spicy Sichuan pepper chips level it up. Sizzling all unlocks their numbing heat, turning each bite into a fiery egg pancake. When frying mala chips, that toasted peppercorn aroma will make your kitchen smell like a Sichuan eatery. Original chips create classic flavor. BBQ chips add smokiness. Sour cream and onion brings freshness. Your omelet's personality depends entirely on the chips. One bag of chips equals one unique omelette. Never eat the same version twice. This is the ultimate snack staple crossover experiment with the only rule is play with it.
Why are potato chip snack omelets so popular?
Crunchy and savory combo. The crispy texture of chips paired with fluffy eggs creates an addictive contrast. Effortless cooking. It's a quick, lazy-friendly recipe, just eggs plus crushed chips that feels indulgent. Nostalgia plus creativity. Mixing childhood snacks chips with a breakfast staple omelet feels fun and novel. Social media appeal. The visual cheat meal factor makes it highly shareable on platforms like TikTok or Instagram. Customizable. People can use their favorite chip flavors, for example, sour cream, spicy, to personalize it. Dare to try this weird but delicious hack. The chip flavor possibilities are endless. By the way, if you are looking for delicious recipes, welcome to check out my recipe playlist. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon, while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. I'm truly grateful to friends who shared their thoughts on my use of names like vegetarian fish or vegetarian chicken for plant-based dishes in my videos. I've reflected on this for a long time and would like to share my perspective. These names are simply meant to help meat eaters understand and accept vegetarian food more easily, as the dishes are still fundamentally made from plant-based ingredients like tofu or wheat gluten. As long as one does not cling to the idea of actual meat or harbor any intention of killing, it does not contradict the essence of vegetarianism. Buddhism teaches that a pure mind brings purity to all things. What truly matters is the intention behind the practice, not the surface-level naming. I have just started to be vegan for a few months. I have also been trying to learn simple vegetarian recipes. I found that vegetarian food is not only healthy and delicious, but also very easy to make. If you are a vegan beginner like me, let's learn to cook vegetarian food together. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan: do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-ovo-vegetarian: do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian: do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough. For ovo-vegetarian: do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian: do not eat red meat or poultry, but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian: mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with one meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fork protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.